Today's recipe is Rice Rava Upma. Take 1 cup of rice, 4 spoons of pigeon pea, 1 spoon of black pepper, 1 spoon of cumin seed. Clean them with water, rinse the water and let it dry. It may take 1 hour to get them dry. No need to dry under the sun, just dry it under the fan. If you wish, you can dry roast them once they got dried. Take them in blender jar, blend them only on pulse. Blending them in a usual manner make the rice into flour. So please blend them only on pulse. 3 to 4 pulse rotations are enough to make the rice rava. Don't bother about the pigeon pea. This may get cooked well while cooking. Take a pan, add 3 spoon oil, add half spoon mustard seeds, let it pop, half spoon chana dal, half spoon urad dal, half spoon cumin seed, 5 to 6 curry leaves, 2 to 3 red chilli. Just stir them well. Add 1 cup of grated coconut, raw coconut. Stir them for a while. Now take water. For 1 cup of rice rava, take 3 cups of water. This is the usual measurement. You can add an extra half cup of water if the dal has to cook well. Keep half cup of boiled water aside to add in between if you want an extra water. Add rice rava. Let it cook well. While cooking the rava, the flame should be in medium. Add adequate salt. Allow the contents to cook well. Dal and rice should become soft enough. Add extra half cup of hot water to make sure the dal is cooked well. Add 2 spoons of ghee before switching off the cooktop. Switch off flame. The recipe is ready to serve. Here is the groundnut chutney as a combination dip for rice rava upma. Try the recipe and leave a comment how it turned out. Thank you. Namaste.